cuts deep through our ground and makes us forget all common sense. Don't speak as I try to leave, cause we both know what we'll choose. If you pull, then I push too deep, and I'll fall right back to you. Cause you are a piece of me.